Hey guys, welcome to today. I'm so excited, and it's kind of crazy because I am just looking at it. You can't see it though, but I'm going to show you, and I'm going to unbox it because it's so beautiful. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. We got to open early Christmas today, and this one is the Indoraptor. It's kind of hard to see right now. Help! I need to open it. I'm busy. Guys, I want to do this. I want to do it, but I can't with one arm. Hey, Mama, can you help me? I can't open my Indoraptor. And he just fell. Mama, can you help me opening it? I'm trying to videotape this and I can't unbox it. Mama. Hold on, I'm just gonna ask Mom. Hey guys, I just walked back. It's still not opened, but I will open it on the video, so don't worry. Dad! Daddy! Daddy, I'm trying to record this awesome moment of me unboxing it, but I can't unbox it. Help. We're going to unbox it. We have to unbox it.
How about I hold the camera while you unbox it?
Yeah. Oh, I can't unbox it.
Yeah.
How do I unbox it?
Just rip it open.
Help me. Guys, I can't do this.
Just rip it open.
I'm trying the best. My muscles are weak. Ha!
So you're getting it.
I'm going to throw it all on the garbage. We're all probably going to die from the Indoraptor.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes, it's the thing I wanted.
Hey, Mom.
All right, let's make sure we get our trash picked up.
We're going to have to cut.
If I just connect it to the Ethernet cord,
They connect the tail.
it'll download it.
It just looks really good in this background. Really.
I was gonna buy that gaming router that you can hardwire it, hook it, and then you have really good internet.
Well, we should just do that.
No, what he said was if you have wireless, it'd be okay. But he said that gaming router, if you hook it directly through wired instead of wireless, then it would work. It'd run faster, is what he said.
Guys, this is a trick.
I'm holding. She's wanting to do a video.
I already told you that a million times. I was holding the camera.
Attitude.
I don't want to break it.
Keep doing it. You almost got it. We're in the 3 minutes of this video. Yay.
Oh, because I had to record the intro.
I'm just gonna bring my Xbox
And
into the dining room.
Because we're also
Connect to the
You got the cord for it?
Yeah.
I can't. The best part about this, it does not take batteries. It needs no batteries because it does not cool. It does not cool. Mom, you have to help. I asked your dad to help. It's not opening. He's recording while I'm opening it. We need more people. It's stuck on my hand. The Indoraptor got stuck to my hand. The Indoraptor stuck to my hand, Daddy.
You help?
It's stuck. Yes, I need help. Because we need to cut some parts. We gotta cut the parts to release it. And I don't want to hurt myself. So, I'll be right back.
What do you need? No. Don't get a knife.
Dang it. Well, is there any scissors? Because I don't have any scissors. Okay.
Here, I'll do it. Here.
We recorded the cool part. Opens it. Rip it apart. We see the repair. This lighting is awful. Oh no, it looks like you're choking the Indoraptor. The Indoraptor. This is the first time I look beyond the camera. Objects are farther than they appear. Dude, you have to attach his tail. It's in the package. His tail's in the package. Look at it. Oh. His tail. Oh my goodness. Cut off his tail. Dang! You need to attach a lot of parts by the tail. This guy is awesome. Look how shiny the scales are. It's really shiny. Come on. Hello. So he or she, don't really know. Who put this here? Dank stand. Okay. Well, I don't really have a camera. His mouth can move. I know that. How do you close the mouth? How do I close your mouth, Mr. Indoraptor? I'll call you a boy because you seem like a boy. Your mouth is going to stay open for eternity until I can learn to close it. Oh.
Why does it keep doing that? It's so annoying.
This took a while to even pose him like this. I mean, I can't find out how to close it. That's okay. I have to fix the feet.
There you go, shit.
The tail's so long, Dominic. It can go to your arm. Oh my god.
This is so much better to play.
The tail's so long it reaches your arm to all the way over here. Look how long this Indoraptor is. It's so long and shiny. Dude, this is so shiny. It looks really cool. You can't even focus on it. Okay. Well, guys, I have to announce the hybrid of all time. I think he just farted. That's okay. But as we present here, the Indoraptor of one kind. Please don't let it kill me! Ah! It's the Indoraptor. Ah! My mascot's dead, and so is the Indoraptor. Hello, I'm Indoraptor. I'm going to have to kill this cat. I couldn't see her. Yum. I'm going to lay down here. Ah! Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm still hiding from the Indoraptor. Ah! Bye, guys. The Indoraptor is going to say... Okay, the Indoraptor has to say something. First, I have to get him to his lip. I named Indoraptor. Like to pronounce a little wave. Hello. Now, I'm Mr. Indoraptor, and yes, I am a female, actually. So it's Miss Indoraptor. And, I have to eat that little cat over there. She's still standing. I got to make her fall. She's still standing! Ah! I died of sadness. She won't fall. But, yeah, I just want to say goodbye. I have to meet Indominus. I'm going to compare myself to the Indominus and, you know, show you guys. And when I can get the jaw closed, I will find out how to. But I'll be in more videos. Because I'm an awesome dinosaur. You know, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm just playing around with this guy. Balance. So yeah, I just ate that cat. But only because I was hungry. My jaw doesn't move. But I'm sure I can snap it closed. But, I can't right now. So, I'm going to compare me to the Indoraptor. No, I am the Indoraptor. Well, me, my mascot, compared to the Indoraptor, oh my gosh. Pretty small. How am I still standing? There we are. I hope the Indoraptor's happy. The weirdest pose in the world. Gosh, it's like so big. I can't even show all the Indoraptor or the Indominus on one. This is what I have to do to show both of them like fully. You can't even see the Indoraptor. It's kind of dark. The box. Well, I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is really awesome because it has the Indoraptor and the Indominus Rex. Both. So, and my mascot probably dying 24/7. So, goodbye.